Hi everyone, this is Adam Taylor with the ITS group. In the last video we looked at creating security groups for LanSchool in preparation for the install. In this video we're going to be taking a look at how to get our ADMX templates into the central store so you can create policies out of them and then push them out. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up a few instances of the File Explorer. Let's get two going. There we go. And we want to find the network share that we created with the LanSchool folder in it. Go. So this will be under Windows. So it's in the zip file, Windows folder. And the two things you want to grab are the ADMX files. If you're using Server 2012 or older, then you'll use the ADM files. At this point in time, I don't think anyone is. So it's ADMX all the way. If you just grab those, hit copy. And then we need to put these into two places. So we'll go to Windows. You want to scroll down policy definitions. That's it, just paste them into there. Done. You then want to scroll back up to the top and you want to go into this subfolder called en-us, NUS, and these are the language files the group policy uses. You won't be able to use a group policy without them. So we'll just copy those and we'll just drop them into the corresponding NUS folder in C Windows. That's number one. We now want to go back up to the C drive, back into Windows, and this time we're looking for the folder sysvol. This is going to be us adding the template files to the domain. So we want to go to sysvol, domain, policies, policy definitions. And again, we'll just take our ADMX files, we'll copy them across, take our language files, copy them in. There we go. Go to sysvol again, shortcut to the domain, policies, policy definitions, and again it's the same location. So we've now got these files uploaded correctly, and they've also been put into place within the local store as well. So that's it, that should now load our policies in. If we go to Group Policy Manager, and what we just quickly do is just check and make sure those templates have been loaded. You can check that by editing an existing group policy, going to policies, and then administrative templates, and you can see here our LanSchool templates have loaded in. So we've got two for the teacher and two for the student, depending on if you're using 64-bit or 32-bit devices, which affects the registry. As long as those are loaded in, then we are ready to go and create a policy of our very own for LanSchool, and that will be the next video. So thank you very much for watching this one. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next one to finally build the GPOs.